Tower of London. Location, London, England. Best time to visit, spring, April to June, and autumn, September to November. The Tower of London served as a residence for monarchs, safeguarded the crown jewels, and housed prisoners of high stature, including Anne Boleyn and Sir Walter Raleigh. The Tower of London is particularly renowned for the chilling tales of the executions that took place within its walls. Historical significance: the Tower of London is now a museum that now houses a lot of the medieval torture devices. A visit will give you an understanding of the punishments meted out in medieval England.